Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Heading out to the lake this morning, do a little solo bass fishing. Check on the bluegill status for Kimberly. Hopefully this weekend we might get out and get to chase some bluegill with the fly rods. Temperatures are supposed to be in the, I think, the low 80s today. It's about 68 degrees right now, so water temp should be pretty high. Can't wait to get out on the water and see how the lake's doing this morning. Again, thanks for everybody for subscribing and liking the videos. It's been awesome getting these out to you and all the feedback that we've gotten so far. Tell your friends, tell your family, everybody come like our page. We'd really appreciate it. Hopefully you're having a great day today, and we'll see you out on the water. Alright, we just got out onto the water, and as you can see, it's a hazy day today. It's kind of weird out, so I'm going to start out throwing a search bait, throwing this deep diving crankbait and chartreuse and blue, just see if anything's up kind of shallow, just parallel in the bank, and tossing it around. Water seems to have cleared up quite a bit. We can actually kind of see into the water now versus the way it was the last time we were out here. Hopefully we can find something active moving around, see if they're still busting shad or if more of them are moving up to spawn. Should be a pretty good day. Alright, we finally made it to the back of the cove that we were trying to get to, and it looks like even though there's some fish roaming around, it doesn't look like anything's locked on beds anymore. So we're going to give it a shot. I don't know. Maybe I spoke too soon. This fish might eat. Alright, this fish over here mouthed it. See if we can't get him to eat it now. Chased it clear out of his bed. That's a good sign. There it is. That's the one. boat drifted over top of him. Couldn't see him. I should have set the hook. Dang it. Got him. That. Come on, little buddy. Right. Here we go. First fish of the day. Got a 1.5 pound bass off the bed right there. Not a bad little fish. Get him back in the water. There he goes, kicking away. All right. Let's see if we can't find any more of those guys. Yeah. It's a little guy. Yeah. I spit the hook. They're in here just eating balls of shad. I mean, just going haywire. So we'll see if we can't get some more. Throwing this drop shot around for a while. Finally hooked into something. Oh, that's a tank. That's a big fish. All right. Here we go. It's not a bad fish. Bang, big old female. Look at that. Whew. I don't know. I got one. $3.11. $3.11. Yeah. Yeah. Nice fish. Yeah. All right, let's get her back in the water.
See you later, buddy. Next time, right?
There she goes, back into the depths. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that video. I know it was a little choppy. Fishing kind of frustrates you a little bit this time of year when the bass are in pre-spawn and just hammering shad. The shad that they're eating are about this big, and it's really hard with conventional tackle to mimic that. So you got to throw bigger things, and hopefully you can get some of those active fish to eat. The jerkbait worked a couple times, hooked a couple fish, didn't get some of them on camera. Got that one 311 on drop shot, and then that other fish on bed. It just goes to show you in the same 400-yard stretch, you could have fish doing 3 different things: pre-spawn, post-spawn, and spawning. Hopefully this weekend we're going to get back out on the water, maybe head up north, chase some trout out of the kayaks with the fly rods. Should be a very interesting video, so stay tuned. And thanks again for everybody for subscribing. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, we hope you guys are having a great day, and we hope that you guys get out on the water this weekend and do a little outdoor adventure. Thanks again, everybody.